How to enable app lock on your Redmi Note 7 for extra privacy. Let's lock your apps and keep your stuff secure. First, open the app drawer and locate the Settings app. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, find and tap on App Lock. If you haven't set up a lock yet, it will ask you to create a lock method. Choose between PIN, pattern or password. Once your lock method is set, you can start selecting apps to lock, just like WhatsApp, Facebook or Gallery. Just tap the apps you want to lock. You can also enable fingerprint unlock for even faster access, so you don't have to type in your PIN every time. Want extra privacy? You can choose lock settings to prevent unauthorized changes to your app lock settings. Now, whenever you try to open a locked app, you will need to enter your PIN or pattern or use your fingerprint. And that's it, your apps are now locked and extra secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.